They're not really even, but whatever. Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, how the heck are you? My name is Tandy. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today, as you can tell, she's put together, okay? She's giving face. The face card is checked. We're going to be putting together this look that you see right here. I was inspired by ABH. I'll insert over here on the screen the picture that I was inspired by for this look. But like, Evie really snapped on this look though. I don't normally do eyeliner, but today, we gonna try it out, all right? Yeah, if you want to know how I put together this look, which products I use, which will be listed down below, of course, then just keep on watching. But before we get into that though, y'all already know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, all right? You gonna have a fun time over here. Unless you a hater, then, you know, hey, I don't know what to tell you. Go find somebody else to watch on YouTube. Anyway, yeah, let's get into the video. First, I'm taking a little bit of eyeshadow primer, and this one is by ARMANI Cosmetics. I always recommend using some kind of eyeshadow primer or concealer to give your shadow something to stick to. So once that base is down, I'm going to dip into the NATASHA DENONA Ayana palette. It's a 5 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the shade Harlow. Pretty sure that shade is called Harlow. Put that in my crease and create a transition color, because next we got to add a little bit of depth to this eye, because I don't know if you guys can see in that photo of Evie, her eye is very like smoky and dark. Dip into the shade Crease in this palette and put that all over my lid. And with the power of editing, we can be done with an eye look in like 2 seconds. Don't you love that for us? And this is the most cringy part throughout this whole entire video, because I am not one who is prone to wearing eyeliner. Like, I just don't do it, okay? Eyeliner is not my thing. I kind of think that I was doing a thing with the one eye, and then I tried to do the other eye and end up looking a total and utter complete mess, okay? They're not really even, but whatever. But you know, the show must go on. Now I'm going to start my base. You guys know I keep my base really, really simple. So I'm just using my 2 favorite concealers. These are by Chanel. And then I also go in with the darker one that's by Armani Beauty. And I just add it to the spots that I need to. But also cleaning up that eyeliner, because once again, okay, eyeliner is not my thing. I don't know. But actually here lately, I've been really into wearing eyeliner. Let me know down in the comments. Are you more of an eyeliner person, or do you go without? I'd love to hear what you're into wearing. But yeah, let's blend all of this out or whatever, because we got to get into setting everything. And y'all already know what I like to use when I set my makeup. I mean, I literally use this in every video, but this is the Chanel loose powder, I guess. It's not a setting powder. It's not a finishing powder. It's just called a loose powder. But yeah, I take a little bit of that, put some underneath the eyes, and just anywhere that I put that lighter concealer shade. And then to kind of set, air quotes, my entire face, I'm using a little bit of powder foundation. I think this day I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is a really good powder foundation. If you're an oily gal like me who doesn't like wearing cream foundations, then definitely check out this powder foundation, because it is bomb. I don't have as much oil when I wear it. Next, I'm going in with some bronzer. This one is a really, really dark bronzer, and since I've lost most of my tan, I kind of have to have a really light hand with this. So I'm using a really fluffy brush just to blend out this bronzer. This one is by OFRA Cosmetics. I think it's their universal bronzer, but you know, that's debatable. Next, I'm going to go in with some blush, because I do, we're not doing blush. What are we doing? Oh, we just still bronzing? Okay, I mean, go off, sis. Don't forget that nose. You know, I love having a little bit of bronzer on my nose, just simply because I feel like, you know, it brings the look together. And I'm adding that same shade called Crease to my bottom waterline, just to balance the look, since I did set underneath my eye. wow, now that I'm looking at this, or as I'm editing, Tandy, your makeup was literally all over the place. Look, it went from face to eye to blush. Like, what? Yeah, I'm all over the place. But I do love this blush. This one is one of my favorite blushes. It's by MAC. It's called Peaches. It's a matte kind of orange blush. I love orange coral colored blushes. They're literally my jam. And I'm taking this eye pencil in a cream color. It's actually one that I usually use for my brows, but I'm putting it on my waterline just to kind of waken up the eyes a little bit, make my eyes look a little bit more white. And top that off with some mascara to complete the under eye. Add a little bit of lash glue. Y'all know I always add the lash glue to my actual lid instead of on the lash. I just find that this cuts down the time that you have to sit there and let your lashes dry. You can literally just plop them on and go, okay? It was a game changer for me. I believe I got this hack from It's My Ray Ray here on YouTube. Yeah, she made a video about that a long time ago, and I've been doing it ever since. But these lashes, who are they from? Because they're pretty bold, okay? They definitely make a statement. I don't remember who these lashes are by because I lost the box. Oh my gosh, am I that YouTuber right now? I should really have my stuff together, you guys. I'm sorry, but I don't. That's just, you know, the way it is. Let's talk about lips though. So I didn't really know if I wanted to go like super nude or like nudie nude or like peachy nude. If you know what I mean. But ultimately, I just decided to add a little bit of brown lip liner. And I always overline my lips simply because I feel like it just makes the lips stand out more. I don't overline them like dramatically like I used to. But yeah, it can definitely go 0 to 100 real quick. I don't know about you guys, but since quarantine, like I am a recovering over lip liner wearer. So forgive me if my lips look a little too overlined. Like I'm just really excited to wear lip products, okay? I'm adding a little bit of this Melt Ultra Matte lipstick in the center for a little bit of an ombre effect. Shout out to everybody who really liked my last video reviewing these lipsticks. I see you, see me, see you, see me, okay? And I'm just blending that out with my finger. Oh, by the way, this is in the shade called Zaddy. Oh no, I think it's in the shade Nude. And if you haven't checked out that video already, I will link it up above in the cards for you to refer back to. But let's seal the deal on these lips, okay? And really, really blend it out. And there's only one way that I blend out my lips, and that is by using Colada Beauty. Shameless plug, I know. Top it off with a little bit of my Henny Colada lip balm. You know, this would not be a Tandy Colada video if she ain't using Colada Beauty, all right? I just blend everything together with my lip balm because, once again, this is a lip balm. It's not necessarily a gloss, but it does provide some sheen to it. It gives me the moisture that I need while also blending the products that are on my lips. Definitely make sure that you check out the link in the description box so that you can grab yourself one as well. And I haven't worn highlighter in a really long time, but the look called for it because if Evie says wear highlight, okay, you wear highlight, period. Ooh, there was a lot going on in that video. Wow, I struggled to put this look together. But in the end, it all came out cute, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified of my future uploads. And let me know your thoughts on this look. And if you are feeling this look, let me know your favorite part by leaving a comment down below. I hope to see you soon. Bye.